look at that. Look at that heat on that bad boy. That looks amazing. That's good chicken. That meat? Wow.
Chef, you see this?
Ooh. There we go.
Good afternoon, Chef.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm well.
So we're on the way back to Seoul.
Okay.
And we just stopped by here, which is called Damyang.
Damyang?
Yeah, this is the name of this province.
Okay.
And in Damyang, we're gonna try some, you know, we've tried a lot of pork, a lot of beef.
A lot of
Now it's time
stuff.
to try.
Ah, we got chicken.
Chicken. But you know, we tried the fried chicken in Seoul, right?
Yeah.
But the fried chicken is not something like typical Korean food.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try some, I would say it's most typical ways of cooking chicken
Okay.
in Korea, which is called 닭볶음탕.
Tteokbokkeum.
I would say it's a fried chicken, not the like deep fry,
Yeah.
like fried, like pan fried
Ah,
chicken
okay.
with some Korean special marinations.
Oh, all right. I love it.
But this place, unlike the other place, this place they cook this chicken with some special equipment in special way.
Oh. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at that.
That's how this place make the chicken.
Wow. Look at this. That's crazy. It's like a barbecue, like with like a wok, or I don't know how they describe it. Look at the heat on that bad boy. And it's all wood.
Yeah, right.
You can smell that in here. It's like crazy.
Oh. Woo! Wow. Whoa. So this is 닭볶음탕.
Tteokbokkeum. Ah, awesome. Awesome. Wow. That's like that, just all that flavor just compacted down, all the way down to just caramelize. That looks amazing. I'm excited about this. Let's eat.
Back at 1 meal in Korea this week. I'm not like chef. I feel like.
아, 다리도 되게 세심하게 나눠주시네요.
That's like red, fire red.
Fire red, like lava.
Like lava.
Yeah.
Which makes me think, what does that taste like? Because it's been like in that steaming fire, and now it's just like, this is the end result. Benny said that if he only had one food to eat ever again in Korea, it would be this.
Oh, this is my favorite. This is my favorite food in Korea.
제일 좋아요?
Yeah.
So the name of this food is chef is 닭볶음탕.
Tteokbokkeum.
Yeah, 닭 is like chicken
닭.
and 볶음 is like fry.
Ah,
탕 is like 탕수육. Yeah. So yeah, it's basically fried chicken with vegetables and also some like spicy marinations. And yeah, as Vina said, this is also one of my favorite chicken food. And one more thing, chef, like this chicken, they use the free range.
Free range. Yeah, free range.
chicken.
They just go everywhere.
So unlike the cage one, this gonna be like more chewy.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
it
yeah.
has
that's
more
in
flavor in it.
Yeah.
Ah.
Look at that.
Excited about this.
Ooh. I'm curious about the flavor on this one. The freshness is insane. It has a little bit more chew to it, but so much more flavor. And you don't even worry about the chew on it. And it tastes so good.
Yeah. It's not that spicy.
No, not at all. I don't taste any spice. It looks spicy, but it's not spicy. Let me see about this carrot, though. Let me see if this carrot got any spice to it. Wow. That's a good carrot.
Chef, can you tell this is like free range chicken?
I can.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's a normal sized chicken breast leg.
Oh yeah.
Right, not like a gigantic chicken breast, you know, with hormones and all the other stuff they fill in with it. Nice and juicy. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's good chicken.
Oh.
That's like good chicken. Yeah. That meat? Wow. Damn. Wow. Wow.
일반 닭볶음탕하고 뭐 캐는 것 같아요?
일단 불로 저렇게 완전히 밑에서 그릴로 하잖아요.
네.
약간 불향이 있어요. I can see the flame flavor. 생각보다 안 매워요. 저 매운 거 진짜 싫어하거든요. 생각보다 안 맵고 달지도 않고 뭔가 딱 정확하게 정직하게 맛있어요.
오.
Absolutely amazing. Everything. Everything. From even in the vegetables.
Yeah?
Like there. Wow.
I think potato would
Right
taste
here.
better than the carrot, I
Oh
guess.
yeah. Oh yeah. What's that hardiness right here? Is that
With
potato? Wow. Yeah. I mean, the onion was insane.
Oh, the onion.
Yeah, I was surprised how much flavor the onion had.
It's like a sugar.
Yeah,
very,
like sugar.
very sweet.
The
yeah.
sweetness came out from the onion. Yeah, the sweetness came out of the onion a lot.
Wow.
Right?
I can taste a little bit of 간짜장.
Ah, kanjang.
Yeah, some little bit of 간짜장 taste. Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Chef, I think they put a carrot, potato, and sweet potato.
Oh, and sweet potato.
아,
Oh, it's just sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
This one.
Crazy.
Ah, yeah, that's
Ooh, okay,
sweet potato.
yeah. That's a sweet potato.
Yeah.
I can see where the springiness from it. Ooh, that's sweet. Wow,
I think it's your first time trying Korean sweet potato, right?
much sweeter. Wow, so good.
Chef, you see this?
Ooh.
감사합니다.
Here we have something extra for the noodle lover.
Wow, that's crazy.
You're eating quite a lot of vegetables from here, chef.
You know, they're
Oh.
they're very meaty.
Wow, yeah, it has all the meat flavors in it, right?
Yeah. Don't get me wrong, I'm still a protein guy.
Yeah, so good.
Woo, woo.
Like Superman.
I'm
He's like a
Superman.
Superman. Okay, all right.
맛있겠다.
Oh, that's hot too. That just came right out of that steaming. Ooh, imagine that.
You can cool it down like.
Oh, yeah, like there we go. There we go.
Let's
Now
go
we're
away.
good. Now we're good. Wow. This is at the bottom. It took that crust with that char.
Yeah.
I taste it.
Oh.
This is amazing.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh. Oh.
I can't describe this flavor.
Oh.
No, I know the little bit spicier because at the bottom,
Yeah.
so it is spicier. And the noodles deglaze the pan, like when you put the water in.
Yeah.
It deglaze all the stuff that the char at the bottom of it, so it infuses inside of here.
Yeah.
So you can actually smell it
That's
coming
right,
through.
yeah.
And then it has such a way more powerful flavor than this one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, because it got all the noodles open up and suck in all the juice. Wow.
Chef, would you like to make your own fried rice?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. There's a fried rice, but you can make it with your own way. Oh. Oh.
잘하세요?
Yes, it's bubbling.
Oh, I can see the crust. Oh,
The crust comes-
yeah. 오. 오, 아예 딱 좋습니다. 예. 와, the crust is perfectly. 오. Fried rice.
Wow.
It's not like nothing serious.
You know, what I was gonna say is how much I appreciate these guys
Yeah.
out here doing this. I did it just for a few minutes at the flaming hot temperature. They're out here for hours and hours and hours, going
yes.
back and forth. I have to give it up to them. They're
Oh.
absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people couldn't even do 1% of what they're doing.
Ah.
You know, and they work hard. They don't stop. They don't complain. They just work. Damn it.
Oh.
They just do it all the time. So I want to say thank you to these guys right here. Kamsamada. Thank you. Thank you.
All right,
Let's
chef.
try it.
Try.
Now, okay.
Yes.
This is our last course, chef.
Last course.
Fried rice.
Last course. I put a lot of love into this. I put some jong.
Oh, you
Okay.
put your jung in
My
it.
jong in it.
I'll see how.
Not my junks, but my
Nice
jong.
junk. At the same time.
I can feel the chef Jung. Not Jung.
The crust.
아,
No, very deep.
눌러가지고 볶음밥 만드시더라고요.
I can see chef's power, strength, condensed steam rice.
Good luck.
Okay, chef. How was your first experience of 닭볶음탕?
Wow. Every experience I have here in Korea is a first experience, even if I had it before. That's how good it is.
Yeah.
But this one right here was a really first experience. From the environment to the people around, being able to do it and try it, talking to everyone. Yeah, it was amazing. 오늘도 잘 먹었습니다.
잘 먹었습니다.
Yeah. Oh, chef. That's perfect Korean.